Hello everyone. So we have released a new report which is already available in your profile and activated in your profile, that is supplier rating report. So let me show you how it will be helpful to you and how you can easily just go ahead and check the supplier rating and what is their delivery percentage and delivery timing. So first of all, you need to go in reports module. On your left hand side, click on browse module. Here you will get report and intelligence module. Click on this. Now once you will come in reports, you need to search for supplier rating report. Click on generate report. So please check. There are some of the filters provided. Like the very first is creation date from to. This is the creation date of purchase order. Ignore deliveries which are delayed over 60 days, 30. Do not ignore. Calculate delay rating based on delay days or percentage deviation from lead time. Tolerable delay in days. So like how this works. So basically in your PO there comes a delivery date and then after the inward is booked. Sometime it happens that the delivery date the inward doesn't get booked, right? So the inward comes after 10 days or inward comes after a month, such like that. So that you can go ahead and just use the filter here. After that, tolerable rejection. Rejection is being calculated from your GRN report. Fine. So after creating the PO, inward got created. So there will be a difference between PO and inward days. After that, the inward will happen. After post inward, the GRN will happen. So in GRN, system will simply just go ahead and check that how much material is rejected. So accordingly, the rejection percentage and rejection percentage allowed can be calculated. So you can go ahead and use these filters as per your comment, and then after need to click on generate report. Once you will click on generate report, please check. Here it will provide you the supplier name. After that, total PO to be delivered. Total PO value will be provided. Now, there are multiple columns which will be for your users. Like if I go ahead and show you, so your PO delivered completely, how much PO was delivered completely, how much PO was delivered partially, PO not delivered, and then after PO not delivered in the term of percentage. In the very end, if you can see, there is late delivery, average delay days, supplier delay rating. What is the supplier delay rating? So here it is 97.5. That means that most of the orders are delayed. Then in the very last, it will provide you supplier quality rating and overall supplier rating. There are options to select columns as well. You need to go in left hand side, select columns. Now please check. These are the columns provided. You can use it as per your requirement. You can also go ahead and download this report from your right hand side from download option. So through this particular video, always remember that it will work from your on your PO flow. PO created, then after when the inward was done, after that in the GRN how much quantity was accepted or rejected. So accordingly this report will work. I hope this particular report will be helpful in order to go ahead and check who is your best supplier. Have a good day.